Finally, I have installed Android Q on my Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and you can also install Android Q on your Redmi Note 5 Pro if you wanted to, but remember it is the unofficial version of the Android Q. It is in first beta phase right now, so you can expect bugs in this ROM. And today in this video I'm gonna show you features, specification and bugs of the Redmi Note 5 Pro based on Android Q. So without doing delay, let's start the process. As you can see here, this is Redmi Note 5 Pro based on Android Q, and you can see the Android security patch level of March 5, 2019, which is the latest. And the first thing you have to do in the Android Q is you have to enable the developer option. To enable the developer option, you have to go to the about phone section and tap the build number about 7 times, then your developer option will be enabled. So why need to enable the developer option? Well, if you connect your phone to the computer, then it will show your device until you enable the developer option. So to enable the developer option is the important process here. So you have to enable the developer option at first. Now I will go to my developer option setting, click on the system and click on advanced, and you will see developer option. Click on it, and we are in developer option setting right now. So at the last you will see accent color setting here. So you can change the color here. As you can see here, you can change to green, purple, and there are 3 options available right now. And you can also change the font. So here you can see, you can change the font of your system, and you can change the icon shape also. So if you wanted to change the icon shape, font and the color, so you can change from here. And the interesting thing is that if you turn on the battery saver, then your whole user interface will change into dark. It is almost same as the dark theme. You can call it as a dark theme also if you wanted to. And you can see here, whole this setting panel is dark here. You can see here, this is our setting panel, and the whole system setting panel is dark here. And the notification panel is also dark here. So it is almost same as the dark theme here. So it is the interesting feature here. But for now, I will disable the battery saver setting. To disable it, go to your battery setting and click on battery saver, and disable the battery saver from here. So we are in normal mode right now, and in this way you can turn it on and off the battery saver setting in Android Q. And you can see here, when I go to my home page, the launcher keeps crashing here. It does not work at all. So we have to install another launcher in our Android Q. I have transferred some application and launcher from my computer to this device, so I'm going to install the launcher first, but we can't access to our file manager, so we have to go to it alternately. So to access the file manager, go to your settings section and click on storage and turn on the smart storage first of all. This is smart storage, so go back and scroll down and click on files, and you will see blank space here when you click on the file section. So you have to go back and click on files again and again, then you will finally access to the file manager here. And I have transferred some application from the computer, so I'm going to install the launcher first of all. You can install any launcher you wanted to, and I tried lots of launchers like Poco launcher, Pixel launcher, and they work perfectly fine here. So you can install any launcher you wanted to, and for now I'm going to install this launcher. So this launcher is working perfectly fine here, as you can see here on the screen. And I'm going to activate this launcher for always. And I personally do not recommend you to guys to install this ROM on your phone, because it is in first beta phase right now and it has lots of bugs on it. So I personally do not suggest you to guys to install this ROM on your phone. Now let's check the display setting, and you can see here it has almost same feature as like in Android 5. You can change the font size and you can change the display size also if you wanted to. So it has almost same features like in Android 5 in the display setting. And there are some bugs at the setting also. When you click on the wallpaper setting, it does not open at all. You can see here it just go to blank. So you have to go back and click on it again and again to open it. And now let's check our camera feature. What features are available in the camera, either it supports 4K video recording or not, and what are the features on it. As you can see here on the screen, allow option is changed some little bit in Android Q. As you can see here, you have to allow in this way on Android Q, but unfortunately when you open the camera keeps stopping. Camera does not work at all, and the call system does not work at all. When you call someone, you can't hear anyone's voice. Here are some good features also. When you long press your power button, you will see screenshot option available here, and emergency option also available here. So if you want to take screenshot, just click on it and your screenshot will be taken. And there is inbuilt screen recorder feature available in this Android Q ROM. You can also add this feature on when you long press your power button. So to do this, you have to go to your developer option, and then you will find a feature called as feature flag. There is a feature flag option here. You can see here on the screen feature flags. So simply click on it and search for the settings screen record long press and click on it to enable this feature. and then long press your power button, and again long press on screenshot option, and a pop-up window will appear, and then click on screen recording. And then click on start now to start the screen recorder, and you can see here screen recorder has been started. You can see here on notification panel, but for now I'm going to stop this screen recorder, and you can see here it is saved here. And in this way you can enable and use screen recorder option in this Android Q GSI ROM. And now let's open the file manager application from app drawer, but you won't see your internal storage here. You have to enable this first. So to enable this, you have to click on these three dots and click on show internal storage, and then when you click on these three lines on the left corner, then you will see your phone here. And here I have transferred some application from my PC, so I'm going to install some application and test either it works or not. And first of all, I will install this manual camera to check either camera to API is enabled or not in this Q ROM. Click on continue, click on OK, and click on start. And here you can see green signals indicates that camera to API is enabled on this ROM. So you have to just install Google Pixel camera, and you can enjoy Google Pixel camera on your phone. And Google camera is installed here. Click on allow button, click on allow again. But the camera keeps crashing here. You can see here the camera is not opening here. The camera keeps stopping all the time, as you can see here. I tried other cameras like B612 open camera, but camera functionality is not working in this ROM right now. So there are lots of bugs in this ROM right now, so I wouldn't suggest you guys to install this ROM on your phone. And the another bug is that you can't connect to your Wi-Fi network right now. I tried lots of times to connect to my Wi-Fi network, but I can't. And there is wallpaper application in this ROM, and the wallpaper application works pretty good, and there are lots of wallpaper available in this ROM and some live wallpapers too. And you can apply any wallpaper you wanted to, and the wallpaper application works pretty fine. In this Android Q ROM, most of the application does not work, but the performance of this ROM is really quick. It is really fast, smooth, and gives really very impressive performance. And that's it all about the Android Q ROM on our Redmi Note 5 Pro, and I hope I covered all the topics, features and specifications, and if I missed, make sure you comment below. And on the next video I will show you guys how to install this Android Q ROM on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. But I personally do not recommend you guys to install this ROM on your phone because it has lots of bugs on it right now. And that's it for today guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just let me know, hit that like button and comment below if you have any kinds of queries, suggestions or any kinds of problem. And share this video as much as you can, and guys please don't forget to subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you for watching guys, see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.